Markov Yuri here today, and I'm gonna talk about the peeing sound effect from Hazel. It's from a video called Sorry, GG. Left curly bracket Ganja Club right curly bracket. P/fart/diarrhea. It was uploaded on December 11th, 2022. The sound length is 129 to 149. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I will show you how it sounds like. See, this is how this sound effect goes. Now I have to go to the bathroom and test it out. Ready to go. Much better. Make sure you use that sound effect for your bathroom break videos, okay?